projects like this. We 3D print so that every project will look neat and applicable. So now here, the same push button connected to pin 2. When we press, it will open for how many seconds? 10 seconds. Okay. Open time. 10 seconds. Okay, we will look at this. So every time we press, and you can mount this with 2 small screws on your project board and make it into a nice manually operated boom barrier. Okay, so here is the boom barrier, and when we press, it turns 90 degrees. Okay, so this is an RFID reader, and using RFID cards like this or a keychain like this, we can tap it and we can read this signal in the Arduino and accordingly open the boom barrier. That is what we will do tomorrow. Okay, so we have also printed the RFID holder like this, and we can place the Arduino board and cover it neatly to make the project look clean and neat. Okay, so we can place the Arduino board here, RFID reader here, and we can attach it to the boom barrier so that the whole project will look very, very neat.